Meet Evacuation by MediMax Tech. Smart, quiet, and efficient. Digital control ensures smooth smoke removal. Quiet operation keeps the OR focused. A 50-hour filter lasts longer with fewer changes. And with the LCD touchscreen, it's easy to use. Evacuation. Simplicity meets performance. I will explain how to use the evacuator, which displays the preset optimal suction level when you touch the corresponding mode according to the surgical procedure. First, plug the power cord supplied with the machine to a grounded electrical outlet and connect it to the power connector on the back of the device. When power is supplied and the power button is turned on, the Evacuation logo will appear on the device's touchscreen and the startup process begins. When the startup process is complete, the touchscreen control panel will appear, allowing you to select the operating mode. You can select between open tubing mode, electrosurgical pencil mode, and laparoscopic tubing mode. Select open tubing mode when performing a surgery with a 7/8 inches open tube or the electrosurgical smoke evacuation pencil with the 7/8 inches adapter for the evacuation of smoke or hazardous substances. Select electrosurgical pencil mode when using an electrosurgical pencil with the smoke removal function. Select laparoscopic tubing mode during laparoscopic surgery. The Evacuation has 3 ports that you can choose from, depending on the size of the suction tube you are using. It allows you to connect 1/4 inch, 3/8 inches, and 7/8 inches tubes. I will select the open tubing mode. You can connect the tube for open surgery to the 7/8 inches port. When you touch the fan blade icon, the evacuator starts running, and it stops when you touch the fan blade icon again. You can adjust the level of suction by pressing the suction intensity control button below the fan blade icon. The motor speed increases or decreased by pressing the suction volume control button up or down. When changing modes, please press the fan blade icon first to stop the fan. To use the electrosurgical pencil mode, insert the adapter at the end of the smoke evacuation pencil tube into the 7/8 inches port. Please use a fluid trap to prevent contamination of the main filter, such as hazardous substances that may arise during surgery. If you're using the fluid trap, please attach it to the 7/8 inches port before connecting the smoke pencil. There is an option to choose between manual and automatic modes for smoke evacuation. In the case of automatic mode, you will need to use a device called the automatic activation device. Insert the automatic activation device into the port on the back of the evacuator and attach the pencil's electrical cord to the clip on the other end. Once the automatic mode setup has been completed, you can click on the electrosurgical pencil mode and see on the screen that the automatic mode has been successfully activated. In automatic mode, a clock icon called the off time delay control appears, which allows you to extend the device's operation for a few seconds after the electrosurgical pencil is turned off, giving the evacuation system time to clear any remaining smoke in the hose. The automatic activation device detects signals from the electrosurgical generator and automatically turns on and off based on the usage of the electric pencil. While the automatic activation device is in operation, the foot switch is inactive. If you want to use the foot switch, first connect the foot switch cable to the port located at the lower front of the evacuator. Then, Touch the auto icon to select either auto or foot switch mode. When foot switch mode is selected, pressing the foot switch pedal once will start the operation, and pressing it again will stop it. For laparoscopic surgery, you can select and use the 3/8 inches port. This ASFTO3 consists of a built-in fluid trap and a suction tube to be connected to the 3/8 inches or 1/4 inch ports. If you are using a tubing product without a built-in fluid trap for laparoscopic surgery case, it is recommended to connect it to the 7/8 inches port with a separate fluid trap. If the filter lifespan indicator lights up red, it indicates that the filter is either missing or not properly connected. When the filter is connected properly, the red icon will turn to the white icon and the operation will be good to proceed. The filter life indicator gives a visual indication of the remaining life left on the current filter. The filter lifespan is 50 hours and is displayed in 5 bars. Each bar represents 10 hours of usage, and 1 bar disappears for every 10 hours used. When the filter reaches the end of its lifespan, the icon will turn red and start blinking, displaying a warning message indicating that the filter needs to be replaced. Touching the error icon will show the remaining life of the filter.